Hello everyone, this is Jenny from Tuftinglove.com, and this is a troubleshooting tutorial on what to do if you didn't secure the inner part here when you try to change from cut to loop or vice versa. So what's going to happen is these three parts are inside here and they're going to pop out or shoot out. So once more, it's very important that when you are going from cut to loop or loop to cut, so whenever you're changing the part here, that you're on the smallest pile height and your gear is rotated to the very back here. I recorded a little snippet of what's going to happen when all these things are in and you pull it out. I'm going to show you now. Here I've set up the situation with the secured spring part and the cardboard box. So I will now pull out the screwdriver so you can see with what force these parts are going to shoot out. And the point is, if you're on the biggest pile height here and your gear here is rotated to the front and you're basically looking into that hole like this when you're handling it, these parts gonna shoot you straight in your face, and I guess no one wants that. So once this happens, you obviously can pull it back together. It's not such a big deal. So the spring goes first, then there goes this longer part, and the longer part also goes in the spring, and on top there is this little hat. And this stuff you just need to push in. This will be hard, like you really have to push it. Will look like this. First goes in the spring, then you want to put in the longer part. This part slides into the spring, and then there goes this little hat on top, and you will not really be able to push it down with your fingers and secure it. So what I like to do is grab my pliers and really push it inside and put in the screwdriver and make sure it's not shooting in my camera. So like this, you can secure it, and don't be afraid to really push it in. The spring is quite strong. So that's how you would do that. Now you would just go on again with placing the little washer on here, and then whatever blade or loop plate you want to put in, you can follow the instructions on our how to change from cut to loop pile tutorial that I will link below.